everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started. Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you some decent back neck designs. These you can use for your kurtis, blouses or crop tops. So continue watching the video till the end so that you can choose any for the neckline of your outfit. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.